Dobro jutro. Good morning, everybody. Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear Botus friends, it's a big pleasure and honor to welcome you here to the Bone and Tissue Days Adriatic 2022.
The most important thing is that we are in the room watching the lecture of the other friends, and there is always a lot of ways to go to Rome, so this is what I like.
Actually, it's a good way to get a great intellectual exchange for all of us.
Bone and Tissue Day, it's a marvelous name for what we do, building up the hard tissue and the soft tissue. It's very important to talk about the advantages and disadvantages and when and where and how to use each material.
If the participants take these workshops that we give them tips and tricks on how to use these materials, they will eliminate flaws that we had during the years of searching for the clinical way how to make these devices and materials function.
What is amazing about it is the audience. The audience is really young and enthusiastic. That's great, beautiful. I enjoy it a lot.
It's like a family. You respect each other, and the result is the most successful Congress.
Dentistry is growing, it's thriving, and as such we really need meetings like this.